girls, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of the same old look and you want to finally elevate your personality and style through your outfits? Then you need to learn how to rock bandanas, and this is the place to be. And as I show you how to pull all that off, please make sure that you do subscribe. You do not want to miss on any upcoming tutorials, and also turn on the notification bell, okay? Anyways, if you're new here, Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube video right here. Drum rolls. Ta, 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 ta. Well, we're going to go direct to what you need for this particular style of the day. Okay, as promised, I'm going to show you how to style a bandana in a different way. Anyway, it can be classic, let's say classic and trendy in a way, depends which category you want to place it. So the first thing you actually need is a bandana or a headscarf. Okay, in my case today, I've come in with my red and black scarf. Okay, they play the same role, but in this case, let's just choose them, the head scarf. Okay, remember, bandanas and scarves are just a versatile accessory that can elevate your outfit. The other thing you need is maybe a mirror, somewhere to look at, and if it's your first time doing this, you can just place your bandana on a flat surface. So you need like a flat surface, or you can just follow my steps step by step. We do it on air together. Okay, so let's do this. So the first thing you need is to unfold your bandana fully. In this case, for this style, remember it's best if your hair is held at the back for the beginning, but you're going to look at the style eventually. If we place our hair down, how will it look? If we hold our hair, how will it look? So let's just start off with holding our hair. Well, that's just that easy. Okay, just hold it at the back right here, just is it behind the neck or whatever, right there. So unfold your bandana like this. Having placed it on a flat surface, you need to pull it from here to this end to have that size. Okay, it's so easy, I'm telling you guys, this is so easy like that. But since the bandanas are usually way smaller than a scarf, what you will do is, once you have your bandana, let's say it's placed like this, pick this tip up to the center. Don't let it all the way, so that it's long enough. Okay, so you'll have something, you see, this way, the center there, it will be that way. For the bandana, it will be a little bit longer, and then when placing it on the head, you're going to place this inner side where the small fold is being seen onto your head. Okay, but then in this case, let's just do it the other way, because my headscarf is way bigger. Got it? Well, you might think that bandanas are just for cowboys and bikers, but think again. This video will just show you how you can actually incorporate this scarf in your everyday wardrobe and get ready to turn heads with your new style. So, okay, we're good up to that point. The next thing is just to place it onto your head. Remember, we have said for the bandana, the side that is smaller is the one you're placing like this. For the headscarf, you just let it go all the way to that point like that, and then you have it like that. You might choose to go like that. Hell more. Anyways, as we dive deeper, I really like it and appreciate it. If you like this video, just give us a thumbs up. Also, you can talk to us in the comment section. Make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, please, because you don't want to miss any upcoming tutorials. And also, at the end of the video, I'm going to be placing as the video continues, actually I'm going to be placing a bonus link for you guys in the description, and it's somewhere right here, so you don't want to miss that either. So the next thing you do is make a knot. This, make a knot here. See, you make a knot right there. Or just make, you can, there's two ways you can do it. Just make the knot at the back so that it doesn't stress you. You see, I've placed, do not tighten the knot, because there's something else you need to do. After making that knot like that, the next thing you do is rotate it. Rotate the bandana. It's already giving, and I've not even gotten to the main point. It's already giving, and I'm not getting to the main point. So you make a loose knot, to be specific, and then rotate it like this up to this side where your ear is at. And then now from there, oh my god, look at me, oh my god, someone please stop me. So well, there you just place it onto your forehead, above your eyebrows a little bit, your ears in like that, and then we are good. So now tighten the knots. Bring this knot all the way to the side. Let the knot be slightly near your ear like that. See, our ears are on the inside. If you're accessorizing, if you're a guy, it's okay, it's not a must. If you're accessorizing, you're elevating your style, my people. So like that, and then make a second knot to make it tighter. Oh my god, it looks good. Look good, baby. Yeah, I know. Make the second knot. You can actually choose to make it in form of a style, or just make it regular like this, like that, and then you're still good to go. Let me just show you, and then I'll show you the one that you can actually make a cast style right there. See, I look great. You see the way it looks. So let's make a kind of cutie style here. You use this. Remember, our hair is still held at the back. You can actually choose to release the hair or have a tail out. But let me just first show you how to make a cute mini fold. So you fold these. I'm looking here because this is where the mirror is, as I told you guys. So you hold it like that, and then you just fold your piece, and then make a knot whichever way you want. Messy, look at that. Right here covers vizuri. I love it, guys, I love it. So the other thing you can actually choose to do in this particular style is what I stated. Have your hair out. If you're bald, it's okay. If you have rustles, it's okay. If you have, I don't know, locks, it's okay. If you have a natural hair, even better. So as I show you how we are going to do the next thing, in the description you're going to find more links to more tutorials. From those tutorials you can choose other amazing styles. I told you a bandana is so versatile. You can just use it to literally turn heads, okay? And also any style like this one. Now tell me, if I put on a red lippy, I look like a pirate. Anyways, guys, what was I saying? So you can actually choose to have your hair as a tail, just a tail like that, and then your style still looks good. If it's way longer, you can bring it to the front, you know, whichever side you feel is best for you. The other way in which you can actually do all these is just releasing your hair outside. You can bring it to the front like that, let it lie there, or you can bring it to the back onto one side, bring it to this other side. Now on that, it's all up to you, okay? In my case, I'll let it lie there. Like that. Like, it looks good. I love it. Not just, I love it. I love it. So if you have watched this far, thank you so much. I love you so much. Please like the video, share all there, subscribe, go out there. That looks good. And then I can go in with this outfit or just decide to change it. Let me see if I have my shades on. Oh my god, I love it. Pirate style. This is how to wear a bandana like a pirate, with no jokes. So guys, make sure you like this video. Check in the description for more bonus styles, and also you can click right here to be directly taken to more amazing tutorials. Love you. Let's catch up on the next one. I like a